Hi everyone, my name is Ajit and I'm the San Jose Public Library and welcome to video number 9 of our guitar tutorial series. In this video, we're going to be finishing up the solo that we started in the last video, which was the solo of Knocking on Heaven's Door by Guns N' Roses. So, let's get into it. Okay, so just like last time, you should probably have a pick with you as it makes everything easier. And yeah, so if you haven't watched the last video, make sure to do it because we're continuing on and yeah, so let's just get into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to play the 12th fret on the B string, and you could use any finger that you like, but I prefer using my first finger, so. And then you're going to play the 13th fret, and then the 15th fret with your pinky or your ring finger, whichever you like, on the 15th fret of the first string. So, and then you're going to come back down to the 13th fret, and then back down to the 12th fret, except you're going to let it ring for a little bit, like so. So it's going to sound like this. And now what you want to do is you want to put your you want to go to the 15th fret on the first string, and then you're going to bend the 17th fret up to the 19th fret like this. And then you're going to bring it back down to the 17th fret, and you're going to bend it back up again. And you're going to bring it back down and bend it up again, and you're going to let it ring on the 15th fret. So that might sound a little bit weird and confusing, so I'll play it together for you. So it'll be and all together, that first part that we just learned is okay, and after that we're going to jump up to the 20th fret, so all the way up to the 20th fret, and we're going to bend the 20th fret up to the 22nd fret, so like, and then we're going to hit the 20th fret with our ring finger or any finger you like, and then the 19th fret, back up to the 20th fret, and the 19th fret again, and we're going to bend the same thing, the 20th fret up to the 22nd fret, and we're going to do the same 20th fret, 19th fret, and then two 20th frets this time. And then now we're going to go down to the 17th fret of the second string and hit that. So it's going to sound like this. So as you can see, when I do the 20th to the 19th to the 20th to the 19th, I kind of hold the 20th fret a little bit longer, so it sounds like, yeah. And same thing on the when I do the 20th to the 19th to the 20th and 20th, I go like, and then you hold the 17th fret down there for a little bit. Alright, and now the last piece of the solo, the last part of this solo, it starts at the 15th fret, and you're bending it up to the on the second string, you're bending it up to the 17th fret and bringing it back down. So, and then you're gonna do the same thing, bend it up to the 17th fret and bring it back down, and then now you're gonna go down to the 14th fret on the third string, and you're gonna bend that up to the 16th fret, bring it back down, do the same thing again, and then you're gonna hit the 12th fret, and then you're gonna hit the 15th fret up on the second string, up on the first string, and let it ring. So that's gonna sound like, so together that's gonna sound, it might sound weird, so it's gonna sound like this right here, so. And there we go. So that's the part we just learned. And now that we know the whole solo, let's play the whole thing with the track. So we're starting at 125 in the song because that's approximately where the solo starts. And yeah, so let's do it. Alright, so that about wraps it up for this solo. A good tip to keep in mind is that you should always play slowly and or with the metronome or slowly along with the track, and get it down before you move on to the full speed of the track. And yeah, so that's just a basic tip, and it'll help a lot. It might take a while, but it'll help in as you play along with the track. Alright, so that about wraps it up for today's video. We finished the solo, Knocking on Heaven's Door by Guns N' Roses. And yeah, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you didn't, you might learn something for a future video. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and check them out. And thanks for watching.